Signs your lover is after lust, not love. Maintaining the illusion that your partner shares your happiness in the relationship isn't conducive to a healthy dynamic. It's common to assume that someone we love feels the same way about us, even when they don't. However, certain behaviors serve as clear indicators of this discrepancy. These signs also act as significant warnings, signaling that your partner's commitment may be driven by lust rather than genuine affection. Therefore, we've compiled several red flags to assist you in recognizing if your partner's intentions are rooted in desire rather than love. 1. Superfast feelings. It's undeniable. Love is a process that unfolds over time. Just like other valuable aspects of life, love necessitates mutual understanding, trust, and familiarity between two individuals. When someone insists they've fallen in love overnight, it often rings false. Genuine intimacy can only blossom after a significant period of time spent together. 2. Never texting back. If your partner consistently ghosts you and fails to respond when you reach out, it's crucial to reassess your choices. Your partner should be accessible to you unless facing emergencies. Effective communication is vital for nurturing a relationship, yet if your partner consistently avoids it, it suggests they prioritize their own pleasure over the relationship's well-being. 3. Initiatives from your side. If your partner consistently ghosts you and fails to respond when you reach out, it's crucial to reassess your choices. Your partner should be accessible to you unless facing emergencies. Effective communication is vital for nurturing a relationship, yet if your partner consistently avoids it, it suggests they prioritize their own pleasure over the relationship's well-being. 4. Manipulative attitude. Your partner will consistently aim to exert control over you for their own gain. Unknowingly, you might discover yourself complying with their desires, driven by your desire to see them happy, even though they may not reciprocate that sentiment. They may request alterations to your schedule or demand your time to suit their convenience, and they may also become evasive when you inquire about their actions or intentions. 5. Arguments and fights. They will seem willing to brush aside conflicts and disagreements without seeking resolution. Instead, they anticipate you will initiate discussions as it's evident that you're the one who will bear the brunt of not communicating. If your partner consistently avoids engaging in constructive debates, it's a sign they lack genuine love for you. First wedding night, expectations versus reality. As your wedding day unfolds, the exhilarating anticipation hints at an equally thrilling wedding night ahead. Certainly, one of the most eagerly anticipated moments of a wedding is the first night. Whether it involves sharing traditional almond milk or shyly unveiling the bride to her groom for the first time after the ceremony, each couple harbors their own vision of this special occasion. However, what they envision may not always align with reality. Let's delve into the expectations versus the realities of the first wedding night. 1. The movie scenario. Movies tend to embellish the idea of the first wedding night, portraying passionate and intimate encounters with intertwined fingers and slow, intense kisses. However, in reality, many newlywed couples find themselves too exhausted to engage in any physical activity on their wedding night. Some couples even choose to postpone intimacy until they feel more comfortable and settled in their marriage, opting to get to know each other better first. 2. Glamorous setting. The bride and groom exude an aura of perfection as they sit serenely, observing their friends and relatives enjoying a delectable feast. In Indian weddings, many couples must wait until the wedding ceremonies, such as the wedding feras, or even until the entire event concludes, before they can partake in the meal, often served late at night. This can leave little appetite or energy for intimate moments later on. 3. Decorated room. Newlywed brides often anticipate a beautifully decorated room with romantic touches like rose petals strewn across the bed, creating an enchanting ambience. However, the reality is often quite different, with many husbands' rooms being set up in a standard manner, perhaps with only an air freshener to mask any lingering odors. 4. Undressing struggles. Couples often fantasize about sensually undressing each other after the wedding festivities and immediately transitioning to intimacy. However, in reality, after dealing with the intricacies of removing countless pins from heavy Indian wedding attire, it's a challenge to summon any energy left for passion. The elaborate bridal and groom ensembles are typically intricate and require considerable assistance to remove. Sometimes, the husband may find himself unable to assist his bride due to his lack of familiarity with the attire. 5. Awkward situations. Gone are the days when cousins and friends would linger outside the couple's room at night, making awkward noises. Instead, the newly married couple can expect to be surrounded by plenty of relatives and cousins for the following days, receiving curious glances and a variety of comments. Undoubtedly, this situation can be quite awkward. 7 ways to connect emotionally with your wife. The prevailing notion in society is that men aren't as adept at handling emotions. From a young age, boys are often encouraged to embody traits of strength, toughness, and resilience, all of which are construed as ideals of masculinity. Consequently, their emotional development may remain stunted, impacting their married lives as well. Many men struggle to establish emotional connections with their partners, leading to strain in their relationships. To prevent jeopardizing your relationship, here are 7 methods to foster emotional connection with your wife. 1. Talk to her. Allocate time to engage in meaningful conversations with your wife, attentively discussing various topics with her. Fulfill her need for communication by actively participating in the dialogue and sharing details about the subject at hand. This simple gesture conveys to your wife that you esteem her opinions, fostering a deeper connection between you both. 2. Do more than merely paying attention. Allocate time to engage in meaningful conversations with your wife, attentively discussing various topics with her. Fulfill her need for communication by actively participating in the dialogue and sharing details about the subject at hand. This simple gesture conveys to your wife that you esteem her opinions, fostering a deeper connection between you both. 3. Break out from your routine time to time. Occasionally, introduce small and unexpected changes to your routine, perhaps once or twice a month. Surprise your wife with a dinner date or a spontaneous weekend getaway. The objective is to prevent monotony and to eagerly anticipate planning new experiences together, thereby nurturing emotional closeness. 4. Do something together that is out of your comfort zone. When couples confront and overcome challenges together, it deepens their bond. Consider taking a skating class, dancing together, or embarking on an adventurous trek. The shared experience of facing risks and emerging successfully fosters a sense of unity between you both. 5. Make her laugh. An effective method to establish emotional connection with your wife is through humor. Utilize inside jokes developed over the years of your relationship to strengthen your bond with your significant other. 6. Know your wife's passions and encourage them. Demonstrating interest in your wife's hobbies enhances your connection. By inquiring about her interests and the activities she enjoys, she will feel loved and appreciated. Additionally, encourage her to pursue endeavors she's been eager to try for some time. 7. Don't forget the physical connection. When we refer to physical connection, we're not solely talking about sexual intimacy. Simple gestures like holding her hand while walking or wrapping your arm around her while watching TV are ways to express emotional closeness without engaging in sexual activity. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.